Open 3D Lab proudly presents a Stop Wasting My Time production. The XY problem. The XY problem is asking about your attempted solution rather than your actual problem. This leads to enormous amounts of wasted time and energy, both on the part of the people asking for help and on the part of those providing help. For example, you want to do X, but you don't know how to do X, but you think you can fumble your way to a solution if you can just manage to do Y. But you don't know how to do Y either. So instead, you ask for help with Y. Other users try to help you with Y, but are confused because Y seems like a strange problem to want to solve. After much interaction and wasted time, it finally becomes clear that you really wanted help with X, and that Y wasn't even a suitable solution for X. The problem occurs when people get stuck on what they believe is the solution and are unable to step back and explain the issue in full. What to do about it? Always include information about a broader picture along with any attempted solution. If someone asks for more information, do provide details. If there are other solutions you've already ruled out, share why you've ruled them out. This gives more information about your requirements. Remember that if your diagnostic theories were accurate, you wouldn't be asking for help, right?